This video has been sponsored by creditrepair.com. I had to make a decision. I was 2 years separated, and then I was divorced a year later. And I had to make a decision of whether or not to sell our family home or to try to refinance it in my name. It had always been hard for me in the past to finance anything in my name because I work for myself, and a lot of times lenders don't look at that as a viable income. The reason why I wanted to refinance my family home is because this has really been the only place that has felt like home for me and for my children. When I first spoke to the rep at creditrepair.com, she was amazing. She looked at my score and she was like, "Oh, your score looks pretty good. And you know what? There are a lot of things that we can do to improve it." And I immediately was able to take a breath and think, oh, good. Okay, well, what do I need to do to make it even better? And I kid you not, within a few weeks' time of doing that, I would say a month, 6 weeks in, I would be checking my credit score and it was going up and up and up and up. That's when I applied for the home refinance because I felt like I was in a sweet spot of this is the time to do it. I was immediately pre-approved for a loan. Well, it happened. And now I am officially a homeowner of what was always my home, my family's home. I have to give a big thank you to creditrepair.com because my credit score absolutely factored into whether or not I got a good rate on my home loan, and that I was considered, and that it happened. And I can't find the words to express how magical everything seemed to come together. I'm a homeowner now, and this is home, and it feels amazing, and I'm so glad to share the story with you. And as a single mom who works for herself and is raising children and didn't know if I could do this, I just have to encourage you. And if you're feeling in a similar situation and scared and terrified of looking at that score and thinking there's no hope, there's hope.